I'm here at Founders Inc., an iconic incubator for early-stage founders in San Francisco. This is their Off-Season 2 festival, where 100 teams are competing for up to $250,000 in funding. The stakes are super high, and I'm going to try to see if I can predict one of the teams that gets funding. I have just 2 hours to meet as many of the teams as I can, and I'll be asking them 3 questions to figure it out. 1, what are you building? 2, what's your inspiration? And of course, 3, do you have that dog in you? YouTube is forever, so I really need to get this right. What are you building?
So this is the Autofab. Autofab is a robotic 3D printer that makes and assembles end-to-end hardware autonomously.
Why did you want to build it?
So every production machine today in any production line, it runs at about a third of the capacity that it's actually capable of. Not because the machines themselves are slow, but the guy that runs the machines, he only works Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, right? But with one of these robots, you can actually run the machines 24/7, lights out.
Last question, do you have that dog in you?
Oh, hell yeah.
What are you building?
Yeah, so I'm making a AI companion that can play any game with you. Let's get her inside Minecraft. Tell her, let's go build a house together.
Is she talking to me?
Yeah.
What's the inspiration behind it? Have you just not been able to finish a game?
Yes, I've just not been able to finish a game. Only 1 in 5 people finish a role-playing game. She said, what's the vibe right now? Yeah.
Wait, if I kill her, what happens?
Try it.
Do you have that dog in you?
Absolutely.
Let's go, that's it. What are you building?
This is an electronic warfare simulator for the military.
From training to planning to execution, the entire kill chain can be mapped out and predicted and modeled within our software.
So you're a soldier on this island. Your job is to locate the drone operator.
What was the inspiration behind this?
So they only get a couple days out of the year to actually train on the electromagnetic spectrum, and it costs millions of dollars. So we built a simulator for them to get reps on it every day whenever they want.
You said reps?
Yeah, just like a video game.
I feel very evil playing this game.
You're doing great.
You have that dog in you.
Of course we do.
I felt like I wanted to kill someone, and I don't even have that urge necessarily. Wait, if I kill her, what happens? That was evil Hala simulator. I don't like that at all. This is my very first Founders Inc. event, and it's a lot to take in. 120 minutes to see 100 projects? I need to lock in. What are you building?
Yeah, we're making home robots that transform based on the chore that it's going after.
What was the inspiration behind it?
We kind of don't want humanoids in our homes, and task-specific robots are not that efficient. So we were like, why don't we build one base that you can pretty much just swap on and use to do any task. Right now, all it does is pick up clothes off the floor. $99 to get on the wait list for the pre-order.
And for that reason, I'm out. Do you have that dog in you?
Yeah, we have the... Yeah.
He kind of just threw it behind himself. I don't know if that was a cop-out, but I like the face. I think it was very adorable. Can I ask you what you guys are building?
So we're building Time, which is an AI thought capturing assistant. 60% of people who have captured notes never go back to them. So with Time, you just speak to it, and we automatically organize it based on context. It's a much better way to capture notes in the age of AI.
So why the name Time?
So Time with an AI. So it really saves time, but with an AI.
Do you have that dog in you?
Yeah, I got a pit bull in me.
So what are you guys building?
So we're building a brain sensing device that builds into existing wearables.
So you wear your own headphone and get brain data access, yeah.
So you just swap the earpad and that's it. It basically tracks your brainwave.
What if I get electrocuted?
Oh, we're not electrocuting.
What was the inspiration behind this?
It started as a school project. We just think that in another 10 years, it might replace Apple.
Do you have that dog in you?
No, I don't.
It's like a...
Do you have that kind of ambition to make it work?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have ambitions to do that.
What's next? What's sangria, you guys? Tell me about it.
Shopping can be 1,000 times better with agents if they do it for you. So we're building Sangria, right? It's your personal shopping agent. We know what you want. We can get you the best and cheapest option. You text us buy, and it shows up at your door.
What was the inspiration for this?
We moved to an empty house, and we had to buy everything we needed to buy from scratch. We thought, why not just delegate it to an agent like so much of the rest of our lives?
You guys just didn't like shopping.
We didn't like shopping. Okay, yeah, you can try it as well.
Oh, so I just texted. Yeah, I need some heels. Heels. I'm a size 6.
Let me check if I'm on the right one.
I think I broke it. I was the first woman to ask them for heels.
Wait, why don't you use my phone?
Guys, it's okay. I actually don't need heels that bad. Maybe it's the curse of the demo, like they say. Let's hit some more tables. I feel very stressed. I need to hit more people. We have an hour left. I haven't hit any of the teams that I wanted to hit. I'm very stressed, and it's super hot in here. What are you building?
So we're building tooling to shape the personality and behavior of agents, both software agents, so friends, therapists that are all digital, as well as embodied agents, so robots. It's kind of like that. Yeah.
Okay, so what was the inspiration behind this?
Have you seen Baymax?
I have!
Hello, I am Baymax.
Basically, there are two futures. One future is Baymax. Another future is Her. Have you seen the movie?
Do you know how to get out of here?
Fuck you, shithead, fuckface, fuckhead!
A dark future and a light future. We want the light future.
Last question for you is, do you have that dog in you?
No fucking shit. Of course I do. Let's go!
It's an ad that walks to you. Oh, he is not messing around today. You know, they got an iPad on him. Seems like he's doing great. Yes! There's ice cream somewhere over there. Excuse me. Excuse me. I've met some really great teams. I feel like a lot of the people in this room, you can tell that they put in thought and effort like over the last 6 weeks, so it's very, very impressive builds. We gotta go. We only have 9 minutes left. Excuse me. Excuse me.
This is not only like a comic maker, but it takes any technical concept, creates like a notebook and a story, because we learn best in stories.
What was the inspiration?
A lot of people are very visual and want to go back to the old-fashioned way, but still use the modern tools.
Do you have that dog in you?
I have the cat in me. I really have a conviction I'm on the right path.
Comic book learning? That is incredible. There's so many good projects. Me personally, I think I'm gonna go for the one that has the best use case in the real world. What are you guys building?
We are turning the whole internet into one big marketplace.
Okay.
You just send any video, just a random person eating something, you say, ooh, I would like to eat this. Then you just send us, we find it to you, you can buy it instantly.
What was your inspiration behind your product?
Everyone's talking about AI here in San Francisco, but it doesn't make money.
Can I get a hat? We're gonna send Vito a picture of me and see if he can find the hat.
Let's go, Bido, I trust you.
No, Vito, what happened?
He find octopus instead of jellyfish. No.
It's okay. Do you have that dog in you?
Of course, sure.
It is officially 7 o'clock. I've run out of time. I think I've hit a ton of really great people and a lot of great companies.
Thank you for coming, but it's time to leave. Let's go, let's go.
I feel like we hit all the teams that we wanted to hit.
We are now closed. I need you to exit the building right now.
So we just got Frat Boy kicked out. They were pretty tight on those 2-hour restrictions, but within 2 hours, I talked to 23 teams out of 100. Everyone brought their A game, essentially. There were great projects. I'm sure there was a ton more that we didn't even see. I'm here for my Google Maps guy. I want the Google Maps one. Oh my God. I'm not sure who the winner is. I really want to say it's gonna be Comic Explains just because I really like that idea, but I think my final pick, and I've gone back and forth on this quite a bit, it's gonna have to be Neurofocus, solely because I think it's great at adapting to other people's products. That has to be my pick. They have to have secured funding, otherwise I look like an idiot.
These are the 6 companies we invested in from this batch so far.
Okay, I'm already cooked. Wow, this is pathetic. Okay. Cut the cameras. This is so embarrassing. I didn't get a single one out of the 6. I didn't see all of the 100 teams. If I had seen all 100, then I would have gotten it. I like to think that, because you said it was 6, right?
6, yep.
I had a map, and then I lost that map. I lost my list. Oh, I think we passed by them. I was standing in between the ECG guys and then the Meridian Labs team. Really, it's just whoever's free between these two. I'm gonna go to them next. They were right next to them. It's like a Shakespeare tale. Hey, can we do a quick interview with you guys? Awesome. I'm delusional.